This is a ventilator which comes with inbuilt and connected Bluetooth connected Samsung Galaxy Smart Tab. So what you can do is you can start the ventilator and monitor it with this tablet. The battery is low right now. However, you can just use it as a mobile phone even when you are not there near the ventilator. You can be in your room, or you can be on the front side of the ambulance. This is mostly used in the transport, also in the ICUs. This very easy to use. The battery is quite low, but I'll just try to install the new update. See, you can just detach this tablet from the ventilator. These are the modes. This will be available on the tablet also. So one of its kind technology. This comes with all configurations, adult, pediatric, everything. Just it comes with all the outlets and inlets. This on and off switch. Inhale outlet, exhale outlet, auto input. All kinds of O2 connections can be given directly, and you can manage the flow from the programs itself. Flow input is there, flow positive, flow input, negative flow input, everything is there. This works with any DC output and input. Just need to connect these circuits here, and the ventilator will and connect the oxygen supply from behind, and ventilator will start working. You can connect the tablet again